Welcome back, guys. On today's video, we're replacing the cabin filter of this Nissan Rogue. It's a 2015 model. The procedure would be the same for the 2014 to 2017 models, I think. So we'll be using this cabin filter. It's the EP Outer brand. It's a nice brand. I trust it. So unlike other cars where the cabin filter is located inside here, for this brand the cabin filter is buried on the left side of the footwell, the passenger side left foot. So all the way down inside there. It's a bit hard to see. Let me see if I can get some light. Yeah. So this is it. That's it. So that's what you need to take out, and the filter would be right inside it. So what you need to do is we need to pull this out. So you need to press it inside and pull it out. Pull this out. So make sure you can take it all the way out. You have this that you need to move to the side. So once you have this out, the filter would be, this is where the filter is. So we just need to pull this one out. And you can see how it came out. So here we have the old filter. You can see how dirty it was. You can see the direction of the airflow. This is the exact same way you need to put it back inside. So this is how it came out, and that's the same way it needs to go inside. So get a new one. Here we have the new one. You can see the difference between the two. That's how you want the airflow down, same as the other one. And now we try and put it back. So here we have it. So put it back inside. And there you have it. I hope you can see it clearly. There it is. So that's how you want it. And then now we can Put back that housing. There you have it back inside. Make sure it's all the way inside. And there you go. So that's how you change your cabin filter in your 2014 to 2017 Nissan Rogue. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.